super groovy. Is that your fingers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells super weird.
Oh, kind of smells organic, right? Nate. Ooh, look at that. That's my draw line. It totally changed the shape of my bottom. Oh, you can change values just with a little bit of, a little more intensity. Okay. Wait, dark ball. I'm gonna try to put some water into it. Cool. This is just really pretty. I don't know. I just really like the sheen on that and how flat it is and smooth. It's so weird that it's cold too. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
See if I can watch me drop the whole damn thing in there and it disintegrates. Ooh, look how pretty. It's like metallic. Looks like Terminator. Cool.
Oh, whoa.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do that again. Let's see. And then I'm just gonna get brushes. Oh man, that's the grooviest thing. Let's see here. Just gonna dip this in some already, it's an old dirty palette. I'm gonna dip it into a really wetted up ink. Woo, that's a cool color. Ooh, that's pretty. Oops. I don't know what I'm doing here. Wait, I want more red. I hope you're careful how you zoom. You're gonna make me sick when I go back and look at this. Interesting. Wish we had better light today. All right, I'm gonna get my brush into that.